Wow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mohammad Ali. Nice picture. Golden Sparrow Hub. You're representing our school.
Ma'am, I joined with Alfia ma'am's picture.
Why? What happened, beta?
Ma'am, my laptop is my sister's using my laptop.
Okay. By the way, how are everyone? I'm like doing fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays, this viral is spreading like anything. Even I was not keeping well from past 2 days. Even I'm not well, but better than yesterday. How about you people? Muhammad Ali, Umayma, Mariam, Mustafa. How you all doing? Please take care of yourself. Avoid outside food. Keep sanitizing yourself. Keep washing your hands and all. It's very much needed nowadays. Kids are getting ill frequently. You know, kids. It's affecting kids a lot. If you see, even adults are getting, but kids are getting ill more. I think today Sidra won't be joining. Today,
I think, ma'am, it's a new virus, Omicron.
Omicron, yeah.
Corona.
Be careful, yeah. Because it's been started. Telling you now, from past 2 days, I had a very bad throat, fever and all.
Yes, on Wednesday also you had.
Who had it?
You.
Yeah, no, Wednesday, though, still I was better. Umayma. Yesterday, though, I was not able to speak. I got a very bad throat yesterday. It was itching a lot. Today, though, I took medicines and all. So today I'm much better than yesterday. You people also take care of yourself, okay? We'll wait for 2-3 minutes more. Sidra is not joining today. Umar is not joining. They were there in the previous class.
Yes, Umar was there.
How about Sidra?
Yusuf. No, Sidra was not there. Yusuf was there. Umar was there. Sidra, no.
Okay. Manha, she was there?
No.
I think Manha went out.
No, she wasn't.
Okay. How about Humaira? She was there?
No.
Okay. Must be not well. Mustafa, can you turn on your camera, beta? How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Now, I'll just wait for 2-3 minutes more. Then we will start. So are you people preparing yourself for the exams or not? You know now?
Yes.
Though it is online, but don't keep that mentality. It's an online, so I'll clear. No. Learn it. Learn and give the exams. I'll
Ma'am, you were muted. Yeah, she told she would be back. Hurry up, before class.
Yeah, I'm back. Okay, I think we should start now. Okay. Last time, what were we doing? I think I should not start with chunking method. Okay. Have you seen your Google Classroom? I have updated your syllabus. How many of you have gone through it? I have returned your assignment also. What did you understand by that? What did you understand by that?
That it is division and multiplication.
Mohammad Ali, have you gone through it? Umar, turn on your camera. Umar, turn on your camera. Let me see. Okay. I'll repeat the syllabus for the upcoming examination that will be held next week. You remember we did multiplication by grid method, multiplication by partitioning and recombining method, recombination. Do you remember? And one was normal method. Do you remember word problems? You don't, Umayma? Okay. What
No,
about?
I do word problems.
You don't remember anything, Muhammad Ali?
I didn't.
Grid method, partition method, we did long back. Nobody remembers?
And I only remember divisibility rules. I remember.
That we have done it. Okay, what I'll do is, listen. What I'll do is, I have next 2 classes I have now next week. That 2 classes I'll do the revision. Is it fine? I'll do revision with you. Okay? Yeah. In from division chapter, what is going to come? Divisibility rules and number line method of division. Is that clear to everyone? Only 2 things.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Umar. Good morning. It's morning time. First, listen to me. Otherwise, you will struggling what is going to come and what is not. First, listen to me. From division, I am not asking you chunking method. I am not asking you reducing fraction. What I'll ask from division method, division chapter, tell me.
Number line method.
And
divisibility.
Is that clear? Okay. Yes. Now come to multiplication. Now come to the multiplication part. I will be asking you how to do multiplication by grid method, by partitioning and recombination, and the normal. I will do the revision and word problems. I'll do that revision. Don't worry about it. Because I haven't taken the, I have done with you long time ago, but I haven't taken your test. Okay. Yeah. Now, Mustafa, I had a communication with your mother. You are finding difficult this number line method of division. Am I right? You are not getting it. Right? So again, I'm repeating it today for you because this is going to come in the exam. Not for him, only for everyone else. 5 are there. Today, everyone will get the number, this thing, division method by number line. Everyone will understand. Umar, you also have to turn on your camera. Where are your textbooks? First, tell me that. Get your textbook, open your textbook. Then only you'll do maths now. How could you? What happened, Muhammad Ali?
I don't have a textbook.
Ma'am, I don't have a
textbook Ma'am, I have a PDF.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll also do, na?
Ma'am, but in Alfama's laptop, I don't have.
Okay. Mustafa, where did you go?
Ma'am, I'm bringing my textbook.
How about you, Mariam? Do you have?
I don't have it.
So, Muhammad Ali. Okay, those who are not having textbook, listen to me. Muhammad Ali, concentrate over here. Get a notebook. At least you can draw the number line and you can do it now instead of sitting. Go, everyone. Get it. Today, I'm so sorry. You'll write it and you'll learn it. I'm so sorry. Just excuse me. This scarf and all.
Ma'am, I have chapter number 3 print out. Ma'am, I made an.
No, but we are doing chapter 4 now, multiply division. What's the use? When in next week, when we will do multiplication, that time you can get the printer. Okay, Muhammad Ali? Now it is of no use. Umar, where are you roaming, beta? Umayma is ready with the stuff. I can see. This is like multiple time you're doing the revision.
I have my book.
Should we start? Should we start? Now internet connection, my internet connection is getting unstable, huh, guys? In case if I get this thing, if like I disconnect, just understand. I have a connectivity issue. Don't go away from the class. Be there. I'll join back either through phone or either through laptop. But just don't go away. Done? Everyone ready? Mariam, where's your book? Show me your book. Lift your book and show it to me. Chalo, fast. Everyone. Show me your book.
Ma'am, I don't have a...
How is that possible, Mariam? You did not make a maths book. Yeah, Mariam. Yeah, Mumaima, I have seen. Yeah, Mohammed Ali, nice. Mustafa, can you show me your book? Good morning, Yusuf. How are you doing? Are you well?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to get a book. We are doing again number line method of division because many of the students.
Ma'am, here is my book.
Yeah, great, Umar. Great. How about you, Yusuf? Where's your book? Please, for maths class from next time onwards, get your book along with you. It's wasting our time. Fine, Mustafa. Fine. Look, I'll give you a worksheet on number line method, okay? This coming Saturday, Sunday. So you can practice. So at least with divisibility rule and with division number line method, you'll be thorough. Only multiplication will be remaining. That I'll do the revision next week. So you'll be prepared for the exam, right? I'm sharing a screen. I'm so sorry. It's quite irritating. An itchy throat. Look, we did doubling and halving. Do you remember? We did all this thing, doubling and halving. We did so many times. This all thing you should know. Okay, let's go to this part. Yeah. And everyone remember this table? Do you remember this table?
Yes.
What is the largest remainder you have when you divide a number by 4? 3. What?
3.
6, just minus 1. 5. By 9? 8.
8. 5.
Yes, do you remember? Okay.
Easy.
Please anyone select two numbers. One dividend and divisor. Please anyone select. Chalo fast.
71. 71 and 3.
Okay, 71 and 3. Who said that?
71 and 4.
Okay, I am taking 3. Mustafa, please pay attention.
71
Please,
and 3.
everyone now pay attention. Now look what am I doing. I am only doing one sum, then I will ask others to do it. Okay. 71 and 3, na? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, 71 and 3. Just 2 minutes, huh? I won't take a text. Okay. I choose 79 divide by 3. Oh, that would be a...
No, 71. 71.
It shows that you're sitting alert. It shows that you're sitting alert. 71. Divide by
3.
I choose. My division is number line method. Okay?
Number line. Ma'am,
Yeah? Yeah, beta. Yeah, tell me. I'm listening.
My notebook when ma'am.
Somebody is saying something.
Then I will get my ma'am.
Is that Yusuf? Is that Yusuf?
Yes.
Yeah, Yusuf, tell me.
Ma'am, I didn't get what my notebook. I will take a screenshot and I will.
Okay, Yusuf will do. Mustafa, Umar, listen to me. What is your dividend over here? Sorry, what is your divisor over here? Wait, everybody mute yourself. 3. Very good, Mustafa. What is the divisor? 3.
3.
Now look, Mustafa and Umar. Come till 10. 3 tens are what? Tell me, come till 10.
30.
Yeah.
3 tens are 30.
Yeah, any divisor, if it had been 4, I would have come to 40. Is that clear to you? If this would have been 5, I would have come to 50. Is there any problem with this first step? Now I'll go to, I want a number less than 71. I want what? a number less than 71. So I'll keep and I'll go ahead. What is 3 11s are? How do I get 3 11s are? Just keep adding 3. Just keep adding 3. Just keep adding 3. Then what about 3 12s are?
36.
Yes, keep adding it. Keep adding 3. Then
39.
good.
39.
Then
32. 42.
yeah.
42.
Then next.
I'll make a copy of it. 45. 45.
Very good. I'm still not nearby 271. Yeah.
48.
Okay. 48. Then
151.
okay, 51. Then
54.
Mohammad Ali, are you understanding
54.
what are we doing? Then
56.
okay, 56. Then it could be a very big number line. Yeah. Next
59.
59. I'll just extend this. Then
59. 62.
Then
65.
okay, 65. Then
68.
then
68. 61. 71.
okay. So why did we do all this thing? Tell me. We should have first checked
To get the
how 71 is. How is it possible? What is 71 is divisible by 3? Check by divisibility.
Yes.
Is it?
It is divisible.
How? 7 plus 1 is how much?
Because in the 3 tables the 71 number comes.
When? It doesn't
In the
come.
3 tables.
You
It
did
is
something wrong.
divisible.
Wait. Yeah, this is wrong. It is not 56. It has to be 57. This is wrong. You kept saying it and I was writing it. This can't be 57. What is the divisibility rule? First tell me. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Umayma, tell me. What is the divisibility? We have to add these two. We have to add. What is the addition of these two? 8.
7 plus 1 is 8.
Yes, is 8. 8 comes in 3's table. 8 comes in 3's table. How 71 is divisible? You're wrong. So here I'll take. Wait. Trust me. After one question, all questions you would be able to do it. 57. Now do it. Now 60. Is it right? Now is it right?
Yes.
Yeah. 63. Now what?
63, 66, 69. 66, 69,
And then
71. 71.
how 71 is? How you guys are getting? 72 will come after this is 66.
70,
69.
72.
And after 69, what will come? Tell me.
72.
Exactly.
70.
So 72 is greater than 71. Now I'll stop here.
Yes.
I will stop here.
Take 69.
Now talking about the jumps. Now you tell me, keep some common sense. If I go by 30 and if I'll go like this, if I'll take all this, this jumps would be more than 3. This jumps would be more than 3. Yes, Umayma. Wait. Yes, you are right. That's it. It's done.
We do this.
Yes, either you can do this or you take this. It's up to you. It should be 3. 1 or directly over here. Are you understanding?
Oh, yeah.
Are you understanding?
Ma'am.
Mustafa, are you understanding?
330 is there.
But Mustafa, listen here. You cannot take like this. Look, 1, then you cannot take like 2, 3. This is wrong. Why? Because we want 3 or less jump. So make it in 2 or 3 only. Now have you understood?
Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait. I'll just erase this. Mohammad Ali, have you understood? In how many jumps we are going? In how many jumps? Up to you. But it should be less than 3. It should be not more than 3. I am going in 2. I am going in 2 jumps. 51, then I am going to 69. Now look. Now look. Now how many till here? How much it was? Till here 3 tens are. Am I right?
30.
11, 12.
And 51.
No.
What?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Is that clear? What is the quotient? What is the quotient? What is the quotient? 23. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder?
2.
Very good. 2. Now have you understood, Mustafa?
Can we do one more like this?
Yeah, we will do it. Chalo. Mohammad Ali, are you
I
understanding?
don't understand how did 23 come.
Okay. Look, till here, how much it was? Tell me. Umayma, till
30,
here?
it was 10.
10. Now, this is 11s are 33, 12s are 36, 3 13s are 39, 3 14s are 42, 3 15s are 45. So I kept counting over here. Have you understood, Umayma?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Add these.
8, 9,
Till here it is 10. Till here, till 0 to 30, 10. Okay.
10.
11, 12, look. 11, 12,
Yes.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I ended up by 23.
Okay.
Or else you can do
Then
one
the
more thing.
remainder will be 2.
Yes. Till here it is 10. It's up to you. Mustafa, please concentrate. Till here it is 10. Count this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Till here it was 10. 10 plus 13 is how much? 10 plus 13 is how much?
10 plus 23.
Have you got it, Umayma? Have you got it?
Yes.
Simple. It's 23.
Yes.
Let's take one more sum. Let's take one more. This was bigger. This was actually bigger. Chalo. I'm sorry.
But
No.
I understood.
Yeah. Mustafa, now you will tell me. Okay, Mustafa? Then Umar. Where is Mariam?
And me. 67.
Yeah.
No. Yes, 67.
Yeah. Which one you want to take?
9. You want 67?
Very nice. This will be done very easily. Yeah, Mustafa. Chalo.
This one is going to be easy.
I choose what?
Annotated 7.
I'm doing it. 69 divide by what do you take?
67. 67.
Okay.
Yes, it is 67.
Is it fine now? Is it fine?
Yes.
Number line method. Okay, my working now. Now 67. Now what is the divisor over here? Tell me. What is the divisor?
9.
9. So what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Till go where you should plot your number line? Tell me. No one?
What? 9 tens are
90. But Mustafa, just tell me one thing. 90 is bigger than 67 now. Am I right? Right. In previous question, what was happening? I took 71. Divide by what? Divide by 3. So 30 was less than 71. That's why I was going till 30. Now there is no use of going till 60. Are you understanding? Let plots the 9's table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are, tell me.
18.
Then
21. 21.
Then I'll stop at a number which is less than 67. That's my idea. Then Forza. Forza.
Then for
It's 27.
30. I'm at 27.
Yeah, I made it. Then it's what?
36,
9 fours are
36.
36.
36.
9 fives are
45. 45.
then
45. 54. 54.
and keep checking. You got a number less than 67 or not.
63. 63. 63 and 72. 72. 63.
Now wait. Should I go to 72? Should I go to 72?
No.
63 is the last. Now it's up to you. How many jumps you want to? It's up to you. 1. I took here, then directly from
Can
here.
I do the jumps, please?
Simple.
I
6.
want to do the jumps.
Now tell me,
And do
9 watts hour 63.
jump.
9 watts hour 63. Tell me.
9 was our 63.
Tell me, Mustafa.
9
Simple na. And what is the remainder? And even if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you getting 7 jumps? Yes. I mean like 7 steps. Yes. And what is the remainder?
Yes.
What is the remainder?
Wait. 66, 64, 65, 66, 67. 4.
4.
14.
It's done. Mustafa, have you understood?
14.
Mustafa, have you understood? Have you
Do
understood?
one more
Look,
example.
why I didn't go for 70, why I didn't go for 90? Because 90 is my number bigger than 67. What's the use? Okay. If this would have been, for example, this would have been, let me change it. Let's take a number. Um, 93. 93. What I'll do now? 93. What I'll do now? Umar will tell me. Till where should I go?
Understood.
You understood? Okay. Tell me where should I
After
go?
Umar, can I do?
Yeah, wait. Tell me where should I go till? Yeah, Mustafa, Umar, tell me. Now it is 93. And 9 tens is what? 9 tens is what? 90.
90.
So I will go
90.
directly to what? 90 now. Have you understood?
90.
And 9,
Yes.
how many is 90? 9, how many is 90? Just do it over here. 10. Yes, I kept 10. Now after 90, what will come? After 90, what will come? 11, sir?
After 90.
Yeah.
99. Sorry.
Yeah. Now, can I take 99? Is 99 bigger than 93? Yes. So I will not take 99. I will end up at what? I will end up at what? 90.
90.
Yes, 90. Now tell me what is the quotient? 10. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? What is the remainder? 99. Understood?
2.
3. 90 minus 93 minus 90 is 3. You have to subtract these two.
Oh, 3.
Yeah. Now, wait.
Alat, ma'am.
Yeah, who's this?
Manha.
Yeah, Manha. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, tell me.
The first one,
Yeah, what's the problem?
7. What was that first one?
We did this, what do we say? Division by number line method, beta. You were late?
No. I
Yeah,
understood.
I'm listening, carrying on, beta.
I understood.
Okay, I'm giving you, chalo, everyone. I want Mohammad Ali to solve this. Okay, Mohammad Ali will solve because he kept roaming while my explanation. Now he will solve this. The question is number line method. Do it in your book. Question is. Chalo, start everyone. Umayma, I will check it, Umayma. You have to do it in your book. Make a number line with the help of a ruler. Make a number line with the help of the ruler.
Okay.
Chalo, fast. Everyone fast.
Notebook.
Yeah, of course, notebook.
Take the notebook. 1 minute, I'm sharpening my pencil. I am back with the ruler, but where's my notebook? Mom, how much long do I have to make? My teacher, ma'am, you're muted. And how much long number line?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. What happened?
How much long number line should I make? Till which number?
You have to understand now. Now, what is your divisor? Divisor is what? 4. And what is your dividend? 59. So where you will stop now? 4 tens are equals to what? 4 tens are
I
equals
didn't
to...
know. From the ruler, how much long line I have to
It's
make?
up to you. You have to decide it, beta. Okay? How you will adjust the numbers?
Okay, I can only fit till 7. So that's okay.
Okay. Should I stop sharing this? Okay. Everybody doing it? Everyone doing it? Muhammad Ali, have you started? What's the problem? Why don't you do it? Why don't you people do it? Mariam, why
I'm
are you
doing
sitting?
it.
Umar is doing. I can see Umar, I can see Mustafa and Umayma.
Mom, I'm doing it.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I have done this multiple times. Now I want you to try. I have done multiple
I
times.
got
Come on,
it,
kids.
ma'am. Ma'am, I got it.
Mustafa, are you trying it out, Mustafa? Look,
What was the number?
I told you, na. I told you I don't want correct answer. I want your attempt. How you attempt. I want to see your efforts.
What was the number? What was the
59
number?
divided by 4. 59 divided by 4.
Ma'am, in 1 minute, I will show you.
What about you, Muhammad Ali? Why are you not doing it? You're just looking in front of the camera. Yusuf, you know how to do it?
Ma'am, I got the answer. I shared you in the chat.
I'm checking, Umayma. Okay. 59 divided by 4, right? That was the question. Are you sure? Are you sure, Umayma? That's the correct one. Are you sure?
Wait. I know the remainder is the correct, but the first one, I don't.
Quotient is wrong. Quotient is wrong, Umayma.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Yeah, Muhammad Ali, what? No, you haven't understood.
Ma'am, it is not divisible.
It is not divisible. Yeah, so you'll get a remainder. So which is the number smaller to 8? Umar, what is your answer? Try it out now. Mustafa, try it out. Yusuf, have you tried? Manha, have you tried? Yeah.
Can I tell my answer?
Yeah, send me in a chat. Mustafa in chat. I don't want anybody to display the answer right now. Umar in the chat. Umayma is not going to do.
Doing.
Okay. What about you, Mustafa?
Yes, I'm telling.
Done?
Remainder 3 back.
Remainder?
3.
Wait, I am doing it. Mustafa, have you tried?
Yes, I'm telling you the answer in the chat.
Done? Okay, chalo. Many of you have getting the same answer. Let me try it out. Chalo. Everybody has came up till 40. Is this clear? 40
Yes.
till 10.
Yes.
Multiply by 10. Next is what? Tell me. Next is what? Keep adding 4 now. I need to reach a
Keep
number
adding
less than 59.
4 until
44.
get
Then
near
what?
to 59.
44 then? 48.
44,
Then
48,
52.
52, 52.
Then
And
56.
then 56, 58,
Okay, 56.
58.
How? 56 plus 4 is how much? 58? Yeah, Mustafa?
Yes.
56
Yes.
plus 4.
No.
It's 60.
Right.
Is 60 less than 59? Is 60 less than 59? No. I will end up where? I'll end up at 56. Right? Am I right? Are you understanding?
What, ma'am? Can you tell again?
Arey beta, I cannot take till 60. I'll end up at 56.
Yeah, 56.
So now till here it was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then how you are getting 15?
I counted one more.
Yeah, and what is the remainder? What is the remainder? It's 3.
It's 3.
So simple. Nobody got this
I
answer.
counted one more. I counted just one more. I was correct. And how did I do? Was from 0 I took to 40 and from 40 I took to 56.
Yes, that's correct. Mustafa, have you got it now? Umar?
Yes.
Muhammad Ali?
to 14.
Sorry?
56 like this.
Yeah, Muhammad Ali, what's your question? Ask me.
How come direct to 14?
Listen, beta.
56 now.
Yeah, but listen, 59 is not divisible by 4. Okay, Muhammad Ali? So I'm checking a number which is less than 59 and divisible by 4. Which is that number? Which is that
56.
number? So 4 into what
Why
is
you wrote
56?
14?
So listen, but 4 into what is 56? It's 14. How do you get that? How do you get that? 4 tens are 40. Till 4 tens it's 40. Now 11, 12, 13 and 14. Have you understood now? It's like this. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. I'll take a simple one only. Have you understood 14? How did it come? You want a quotient. You don't want a number which is less than the dividend. Let's take 59 divided by 5. Now tell me, is 59 divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 5? Everyone, is 59 divisible by 5?
No, ma'am.
It's not, because in the units place, 0 and 5 is not there. Now where will I go till? Tell me, my divisor is 5. Where will I go till? Tell me, 59. 5 tens is how much? Muhammad Ali, 5 tens is how much? 5 tens are?
50.
Yes. And is 50 less than 59? Yes. If it is less than 59, I'll go till 50. Now go ahead. 5 11s are? 5 11s are? 5 11s are? 55. Then 5 12s are, keep adding 5. 60. 60. But will I take 60? Will I take 60? No, because 60 is bigger than 59. So I will not take that. Where will I end up? A number which is less than 59 is 55. Now 5, Mohammad Ali, 5 word size 55. Tell me. 5 word size 55.
5.
This is till here it was 10.
11.
Till here it was till 10. 10 plus 1 is how much? After 10, what's come? After 10, what come?
55.
Are not 55, beta. You have to say 5 into what is 55? That is your 11. So here it would be 11. You cannot take 55. You need to see 55 is divisible by what? Now tell me what is the remainder. Tell me what is the remainder. 59 minus 55. How? 5? 4.
4.
59 minus 55 is how much? 4. Have you understood now? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do next week. Next week, I'm going to do the multiplication, grid method and all that revision. I'll do it. Okay. Chalo, bye everyone. Take care. See you. I'll send you the worksheet on number line.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.